Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I want to show you guys this stuff right here. If you're like me and you see my hair right now, I'm getting old and it kind of sucks, but I'm getting thin. Look at that. That is so bad. My hair is thinning like crazy. Never thought it was going to happen. We never think it's going to happen to us. But SureThik right here has such an awesome product, guys. SureThik hair thickening fibers. If you're like me and you're starting to go a little bit thin, this is such a perfect product for you. I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. Check this out. So all you do, it's so simple. I just got out of the shower. Haven't done anything with my hair yet. I'm going to take this. I'm going to turn it upside down. You guys are going to see it like kind of disappear right in front of you. So boom. That side's good, and I'll kind of style it. And then over here, kind of see, voila, boom. It doesn't look like I'm thinking at all. And then I'll throw some stuff in my hair. I'll style it up. And then, you know, I could probably throw a little bit more over here to make it look a little bit better. But overall, guys, if you're looking for something that's going to make you a little bit more confident, you're like me, getting a little bit older, starting to go thin, SureThik, guys. That's where it's at.